Hi guys, and welcome to the craft table, the experiment and fail table. This week has been cleanup week. During my live streams on Twitch, I've been experimenting, and today I was redoing some of the fails from my experiments. And if you'd like to see that, just stop by Twitch and watch that video, because we got some amazing results from the fixes. And during one of those fixes, I don't know if you remember, but I had done a cloud pour, but I had used purple and green, a berry and something green, and the composition, it was really pretty, but the colors were atrocious. And I decided to try another cloud pour on it, and this time only using black and white, and oh my gosh, it was gorgeous. So I have this, and I've had this for a while, and as you can tell, it's been scraped a couple times. I got mad at it one time and just threw some paint on it, and it's been sitting in the corner, and it's lonesome, and it's time for this poor guy to get refurbished. And he's a little bit saggy. He's been sitting around so long, so I am going to tighten him up, and then I am going to try again, or do another black and white. It's just plain Artist Loft black mixed with Floetrol and water, and Artist Loft white mixed with the satin enamel and some Floetrol and water. And I have ittle bitty specks of these neons that I played with the other day, and I thought, oh, would it hurt to throw them in here and there? We're gonna find out. You know me, I'm always experimenting. So let's get to work, shall we? And there you have it. Little bits of color. The black and white turned to all shades of gray, black, and each cell and line looks like it's been inked. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm really loving this simple. I call them simple. Like, you can't mess up. This is beautiful, you know. Just two colors, two main colors, black and white. And who would think that black and white could be so beautiful? And just those vibrant yellows and pink little sparkles, it seems like. But I will bring you down and show you a close-up, so stay tuned for that. And for those of you who, and I'm sure there's a few, that are wondering why I have this is another canvas, but it's still wrapped in its plastic. But all that beautiful paint right there is, I'm going to let it dry, and just think of how many beautiful stones and pendants and necklaces that would make. And so easy to store that way. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed, and if you want to join me live, check out my Twitch channel. I go live 2-3 times a week over on Twitch, and it's a daily distraction, I call it, and it's usually right around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So, and I will start streaming live on YouTube, and it'll probably be later on in the evening for those of you, so you can get home, get relaxed, sit down and have a little bit of evening distraction. And I want to thank you again. I appreciate everybody that stopped by, took 5-10 minutes out of their day for my messy distractions, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye now.